Hi, my name is Pearlann Porter. I am the founding artistic director of the Pillar Project in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I'm here creating on GroundWorks for my new piece, The Visual Sound of Color. After this piece, I want the audience to, in a way, not know how they saw what they saw. I like creating visual spectacles and playing with reality or expectation. I really love this concept of challenging the audience's expectation of what's dance and what they expect in a theater, and engaging them in a way that we're not showing them a piece, we're playing a piece. So over the years, I have acquired quite a fleet of projectors, and I like really manipulating light as a way for the dancer to interact with something that is otherwise not there. The light is fields of color and bands of illumination and darkness. I was able to really manipulate not only the timing of my lighting cue and the color that I wanted, but then I started realizing, well, I can make bars and fields of color and light that I could never do with normal lighting units for theatrical stage. I can do things that make the light almost like a set or like an environment that people can interact with. So without anyone on the stage, it's totally dark. It's only the dancer entering into those fields and cutting the projectors that they become illuminant in the light that I created. So I'm making dancers illuminate as opposed to lighting the whole stage. It has been absolutely awesome working with these dancers at GroundWorks. I've only been here for a very short period of time, and immediately they all make wise choices. They're all open. They're all ready to contribute something and to listen. They all listen so well. And that is a rare thing, I think. And maybe it's more and more rare. And they're all willing to be simple and elemental and making little moments significant and making big moments intimate. And that is something that makes them wise beyond their years, for sure. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better company to work with. It's really fantastic, and I'm proud to create this work on them and to share this special lighting concept with them. This is the first time that anyone has ever danced in my projectors other than my company. So I'm very proud to share this with them.